Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is, and welcome back to, alright you guys, so since it's been such a long time since I have posted a video, I know one of the last videos that I did post was a video on the iPhone X. I did an unboxing of it. So, I kind of took my phone out of the case. I did not rip off the screen protector that is peeling off and was very expensive. So a couple days after I got this phone, I fully intended on posting a video to kind of give you guys an update on what's going on with this. This is the iPhone X or iPhone 10, 256 gigabyte model. Now this thing retails for about 1,300 bucks almost. I think it was 1,250 maybe. I'll put a screenshot in here. But what bothers me the most is the fact that 2 days after I bought this, it kind of freaked out on me because I didn't know you were supposed to update the software. Apparently there was a big bug in the software that Apple released with the iPhone 10, and it was causing the phones to not be able to be restarted, and it wasn't letting you update the actual software itself on the phone. Now I kept trying to go into apps to get to settings to update it, and the screen would just kind of shut down completely and then pop back up on the home screen, and that was kind of no good. So immediately I started freaking out because I thought that it was going to be broken. And what gets on my nerves is the fact that if your phone breaks and you have insurance for it, and you send it in, you don't get a new one, you get a refurbished one, and that makes me mad because I spent so much money on an Apple product. So Apple, if you're listening, and I know you're not because I have less than 1,000 subscribers. Other than a little hiccup, I called Apple support. They walked me through how to fix it like they always do. You know what? I just noticed that you can see my mic, which I'm not really that shamed about, but you know, hope the audio's good. But in case you guys did not watch my unboxing video, I got the black iPhone X 256 gigabyte. I mean, as far as I can tell, I don't have a scratch on it, but it's because I've been using a Tech 21 case, which that review is coming out soon, very shortly after this one. But one of the things that I really do like about the phone is the edge-to-edge display that is on it. Now, it's really cool, but I do have a pet peeve with this. The notch on the actual screen itself kind of kills me because why would you do that? It really doesn't bother me now with using it as much as I do because I've just kind of gotten used to it after seeing it every single day. But something that I really was wanting out of Apple in the next couple of years is a bigger phone with an infinity display on it. I think that's something that Apple needs to work towards because this notch is kind of killing me. Yeah, but I have had the phone since November, and overall, I do love this phone. Is it worth the money? Absolutely not. It is not worth the money. I probably wouldn't buy this again. I would actually probably go with the iPhone 8 Plus because it has almost all of the exact same features. It does the exact same thing. It's the newest phone, so you don't really have to worry about them slowing down your old phone. The only thing that I would really like is if Apple offered a Plus version of this as well, which would be really cool. But if they offered a Plus version, they probably would charge you like $1,500-1,600 bucks because they can, and no one would buy it because I know I wouldn't. I love this phone. It's awesome. Don't get me wrong, but this was kind of just a really expensive mistake. Now, one of the cool features that the iPhone does have is the ability to have facial recognition software on it so that you don't even have a thumbprint anymore. You kind of just look at the phone and then it unlocks for you. I wouldn't buy this again. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I love the wireless charging, but the iPhone 8 Plus has the wireless charging. And it's strange to me. I know they were going for a smaller phone with a bigger screen, but I don't really count it that much of a bigger screen, because in most of the apps, this bottom application here is not utilized with anything. And even in the texting app, if you pull a texting app up, it's just got a straight bar right through here. So that's something that really bothers me as well. Anyways, I kind of wanted to give you guys just a small update. I am gonna have some iPhone videos coming up soon, because literally the only one I posted other than this one is the iPhone 10 unboxing itself when I first got it. Then I kind of took an unexpected break because I had to for a couple months, but now I'm back on track. So if you guys have any questions at all regarding the iPhone 10, if you've watched this, please put a comment down in the comments below before you buy it. Any questions you have at all, I'll answer all of them. I usually try to answer all of the questions that are put in comments on any of my videos. So please ask me anything you need to know before you buy this, because I would probably tell you to get the iPhone 8 Plus instead. And as always, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the next iPhone 8 video, and be sure to check the old iPhone 8 unboxing video, and by 8 I mean 10.